Eric, I'm making a video. I'm making a video for Grandpa. So you've opened your tent and you liked it, right? We have to set it up. And you got all your candies from Grandpa, right?
Yeah.
And you've already ate a few, right?
Just 3.
Just 3. Is there anything you'd like to say to Grandpa for sending you all this stuff?
Thank you! Is that the right camera?
Yeah, this is the right camera. So you waited all day, right, Eric? You waited all day for these boxes to come, right?
Yeah, and I love this thing too.
You even like playing with the box.
I'm okay. And I keep falling down in the box.
You're a funny guy.
And I can't get, and I need to get in the dinghy. Let me get in the dinghy.
Dinghy? So are you in the water right now playing?
Huh? I couldn't hear you in there.